Welcome to our SEO tutorial, where today we're diving into the world of mobile SEO, the key to unlocking the full potential of your website in the mobile-first era. With over half of the web traffic coming from mobile devices, it's crucial to optimize your site for mobile users. Let's get started. First, ensure your website is mobile-friendly. This means fast loading times, responsive design, and easy navigation on a small screen. Use tools like Google's Mobile Friendly Test to check your site's compatibility. Next, focus on improving your site's speed. Mobile users expect quick access. Compress images, leverage browser caching, and minimize code to speed things up. Remember, content is king, even on mobile. Keep your content concise, engaging, and easily scrollable. Large blocks of text are a no-go. Local SEO plays a huge role in mobile searches. Optimize for local search by including region-specific keywords and registering with Google My Business. Don't forget about voice search optimization. With the rise of digital assistants, ensure your content answers common questions in a conversational tone. And here's a pro tip. Monitor your mobile SEO performance regularly using tools like Google Analytics. Now, if you're getting value from this video, please subscribe. We release videos daily to keep you updated with the latest in SEO. Have any questions? Leave a comment below and we'll be sure to help you out. And if you got value from this video, please give us a like. It helps us reach more people like you. Thank you for watching our tutorial on mobile SEO. Stay ahead in the mobile-first world and optimize your site for success.